desire for wealth. Ambition is not hoping you can win at the expense of others. Do you suppose Judas was ambitious? He ended up with 30 pieces of silver, a fortune in those days. Was Judas successful because he had all that money? No, Judas sold out. Was Judas happy when it was all over with? No. The money didn't make him happy. What he did to get the money certainly didn't make him happy. What Judas became in the pursuit of his fortune caused him to end his own life. What drove him was not ambition. Ambition is not greed. Ambition is an eager desire to achieve, an eager desire to get ahead in life, to do more for your family, to prosper in health, wealth, and relationships. Now, desire does not always translate into ambition. Desire is what you want for yourself. A bigger house, a better car, a fatter bank account, a better life. I desire to have these things. Ambition is how you get there. Desire is sometimes healthy. Desire is sometimes unhealthy. Desire might say, I want the tallest building in town. The destructive side of desire might urge you to tear all of the other buildings down. I guess that's one way to do it. You might get away with tearing down the first one and maybe the second one. But in your desire to tear them all down, sooner or later, some guy is going to be standing out in front of his building saying, I'm on to you, get out of here. And pretty soon you're no longer known as a builder. You're known as a destroyer. Now, the second way to have the tallest building in town is to see it, dream it, and plan it, and put your team on it, work on it. Go through all of the steps to get there. Do it right. Have the ambition to be the owner of the tallest building in town, and go through all of the right steps to get there. If you really want it, and have the skills to do it, and the patience to weather all of the storms, your ambition will lead you there. Having the ambition to do what it takes to get you where you want to go is good. Ambition is creative and constructive. Ambition is an expression. It's something inside of you you want to express in a positive way. I'm sure you have dreams of accomplishing great things. Are you ambitious enough to realize these dreams? Are your dreams strong enough to pull you toward your future? Are they vivid enough to see the end result now? Are they worthy of doing until you get there? What are your reasons for creating these dreams? Reasons vary from person to person. I bet if you did a little soul searching, you could come up with a fairly strong list. The list of reasons. Why is it so important to achieve these dreams? What are you trying to express? These reasons for accomplishing great things are different for everybody. There are personal reasons, sometimes uniquely personal reasons. Some people do well for the recognition. Some people do well because of the way it makes them feel. They love the feeling of being a winner, and that is one of the best reasons. Once in a while I hear someone say, if I had $1 million, I'd never work another day in my life. Hey, that's probably why the good Lord sees to it that he doesn't get his million. One of the best in the country. Although her goal was to financially surpass where she was before her economic fall, her main reason to work all of those extra hours was to give her little girl the best possible education. As you can well imagine, wanting to do something for someone else led her to all sorts of other accomplishments.
Yes, man. So I was waiting for this stage 2 to develop. Now this is the same. Damn glasses. Uh-oh. Oh, here we are. Now, you may be like, well, I'm not a day trader. It don't matter. This fractal pattern of price, as it moves through the universe here. Oh. There's my stage. There's my stage 1 buy. Come on, man. Let's give this a second. There's my stage 1 buy. This goddamn thing will let me annotate it here. And I'm watching RSIs. Dude, we've had such problems with my internet here. I'm about to freak out, dude. We've never had any problems, and this Ultima company took over Suddenlink, and it's been absolute crap since you took over. And it's like, man, there's not even a person to talk to. Is there not one person that's just fucking embarrassed that your business doesn't function correctly and your customers are pissed? Like, how do you go to sleep if you're the CEO and your company sucks? Like, I don't understand that. And especially as an investor, I see business different, man. I can go in people and I'm like, listen, I never ran a dry cleaners, but I've researched the fuck out of them. And here's how people make it work, man, from what I've studied and read and through studying business and how airlines, based on seat space, and how a hotel tracks business versus real estate versus a mortgage REIT versus something that leverages money to invest. Like, all of these different types of activities are approached from it. Bam! Right there. Trim. Woo, baby. We've been making, man, I better shut up, dude. I've been bragging so damn much that I put that in Discord. You know, I do that a lot. My wife will be like, why do you gotta say that? Why do I gotta say what? I'm a bad motherfucker, man. Why wouldn't I say that? It makes her mad. One day somebody's gonna, well, why? Some people always see the negative, man. It is just as easy. Where are you at? I'm not picking on you. See, this is the problem sometimes with being my friend is you think all my content's about you. And it's like, no, every problem you have is not unique. There's nothing unique about you. You got the same fucking problems, dude. You're like, my girl, she's doing, yeah, no shit. Men been dealing with that their whole damn lives. There is nothing about you unique other than the things you put your mind and time on, man. You're going to create the uniqueness, meaning the life troubles, the credit, the debt, the kids, the wives, the cars, the jobs, the this, the that. That shit is common, man. Everybody's got the problem with their mama. Everybody's got a problem. Like, there ain't nothing unique about that, man. So we that's the kind of stuff that is, bam, I'm trimming again. Let's get paid to talk. Now, I'm doing it solo today since every time I have someone come in and help me, it ain't much fucking help. I got to do the talking, the trading, and manager. Like, I mean, they're just here to fucking drink beer with me, I guess. So we're watching this RSI closely. I'm trimming again. I like to trim into strength. And you can see we're running here. We've now broke through this. So we can let that run for a second. Let's check on some stocks. Let me tell you one that I was looking at yesterday. I haven't been sending out a lot of text alerts, okay? You don't need me to tell you this is a buy, okay? Airbnb is in our portfolio. I say ours, the MFG portfolio. So if you see this setup, hey, do what you do. I might have a full load already, meaning I got all the Airbnb I'm going to buy. So I'm not necessarily snapping on this stage one. But the beautiful thing about what we're doing is learning how to fish, baby. Like, you know what's up. You know what to do. Right? And so look at this. Sideways up, sideways down. And God gave this to me at a casino, man. That's the crazy thing, guys. I know God gambles. Shit, he made you. I said that to a guy and he was like, what is that supposed to mean? I don't know, man. What do you think it means? Shit, he took a chance on you. I know he took a chance on me. I let him down all the time, man. But the good thing is he forgives me. Let's see. let's get back to this trading. I had a lady hit me up once. She goes, man, I know you're close to, I know you must go to church a lot. I said, I don't go to church. The only church I go to is the MFG church, man. I don't go to no damn church. I go to MFG church, man, every Sunday. Take me to church. I go to church every Sunday, man. You're looking at it. It's the flow. Like the ocean. Have you guys seen that? Like the ocean. You seen my little video I made? So we're in this live trade. Say this is a daily chart. This is Airbnb on a daily. Everybody can trade, okay? And you're finding them all over the place. JWN, like the whole market is on a stage 1, man. And remember we were saying that, it was like, God damn, everything had sold off, went into a stage 1. But if you notice, Uber said, yeah, fuck that. I'm going to come down a little bit. I'm going to go from 49 to 44. That's it. That's all you're getting. What does that tell you, man? Well, I know how to read that, dude. This is what it's doing right now. I knew it was going to do. That doesn't mean I knew for certain. But if I work a strategy, if I live by a strategy, which is what a religion gives you, it gives you a predetermined answer. And they say, what do you think about this? And you're a Muslim. You go, I think this. You don't think that. You chose to think that. You decided I'm going to be this, so I'm going to accept the basic tenets of this, and that'll be my fucking answer. I don't think shit. I just do what it told me. That's what a lot of people do. They're not thinking about anything. They're just doing what the fuck they were told to do. They don't actually have an opinion on much. I was listening to a guy the other day babble about fucking Trump indictments. All right, yeah, we all know it's bullshit. Talk to me about the TSLY, bro. That's getting a 70% return, man. I don't want to hear about some billionaire's troubles. That ain't got shit to do with me. I'm trying to get rich, man. I ain't got time to listen to all that bullshit, man. Yesterday I had to tell my wife, turn the fucking news off, man. We just saw a flood, a fire, a fucking president locked up. Now there's this, it's just one negative bad thing after another, man. Fuck, man, let's talk about the money flow. She's like, all you ever want to do is talk about the money flow. God damn, at least it's not negative, man. I got enough negative shit, man. I don't need to watch it. Now, here's what I do, though. I do watch. I don't have time for any other opinion because my opinion don't really matter, man. So once I settled into that, that freed up a lot of time and energy for me, man. I then began to devote my time and energy not to other people's causes, and those causes might be good, but me trying to get fucking Uber to $49 and I make 50 G's. That's my concern. That's my concern. Not if Mitch McConnell's babbling and freezing at the fucking microphone. Then I'm watching this senator, Mitch McConnell, freezing. I'm like, no one else is freaked out by this? We got old people everywhere. They're all passing out, peeing themselves. Man, I ain't got time for the news, man. I got to watch what's up with Uber, man. All right, so look, possible stage 3. You see, my point to all of that, guys, is you see how distracting all that can be. And it's all nonsense, and it's funny, and there's nothing wrong with watching. I'm not saying don't watch television. I'm saying watch it from a different perspective. Shit, I love Game of Thrones. That's why I own the stock WBD, baby. They created it. Shit, let's go, man. Let's create something else, man. The average guy watches, he's watching Game of Thrones and, oh, this is a great series. Yeah, it is, man. It is. I love it, man. That's why I bought some shares. We're doing the same activity. I'm doing it like a rich man. He's doing it like a fucking peasant, like normal people. You see what I'm saying? You see how that slight shift of the way you see the world. Shit, I like beer too. Let me get some TAP. T-A-P. I drink that every day, man. What do we got here? That looks like a breakout, baby. Wait, Gerald, are you saying the beer I drink, I could trade it? Take me to church. Now that pattern right there, was given, and I know you guys don't believe this, man. By God himself, man. So to him, I live on it, man. Very few people live in the world like I do. Every once in a while, I meet someone like me. Shit, I did a one-on-one a minute ago with a dude that lives like me. He ain't got no job, man. I don't have a job, man. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing tomorrow. I do know I'm trading. The only stable thing in my life is the fact that the stock market opens at 8:30, man. That gives me somewhere to be. If I'm sad, I got somewhere to be at 8:30, man. I got to be at church. I got to be at church, man. Look at this. You see this? Everywhere I drive, when I see churches, I stop. Only if an MFG logo on that thing would look good. Some of them don't look good, and I stop. We're on a road trip. I'm with family, and they're like, what are you doing? Stop the goddamn... Stop, man, stop. Church, stop. And I take a picture. What are we doing? Don't worry about what we're doing. I'm taking a picture, man. Take me to church, man. And that's how I see it, man. So if you go to the newsletter, that's our pattern, right? That's our fractal pattern. I appreciate you, bro. I know sometimes I'm a dick, man. My friends get mad. Don't get mad at me, Gerald. You told me not to do this, and I did it, and I'm mad at you, man. I'm mad for you, not at you. I love you. I love everyone, man. Shit, I'm the least judgmental, racist dude in the world. I don't give a fuck, man. I like, if a duck can talk about trading, I love that motherfucker. I love hustlers, gangs, anybody who gets up trying to make money, man. I love that shit in all forms. Uber's running, still making money. 70 RSI, selling 100 shares, 42.80. 42.80. Selling 100 shares. I'm down to 400, by the way. We started with 2,000. I think I accidentally sold too many on the last one. It's hard to run a live stream, teach, and do. Woo! Look at, here we go, baby. Now, on a daily chart, let's talk about this on a daily chart. When you get a run like this, let it run. I get a lot of youngsters. You come in, you're trading, and maybe you haven't made money before, right? Maybe you hadn't made money. So where did we get in on this? 2,000 shares. Now, this one, I'm paper trading. We got a little competition going inside of our day trading room. That don't start till Monday anyway, by the way, if you're listening. But on Monday, it's head-to-head, baby, me and you. And I'm going to stomp your ass. Don't cheat either. We're paper trading, 2,500 shares, Monday to Friday. Who's got the most points at the end of the week? I was challenged. So it's on. Now, here's the thing about that, man. You might need money to make you trade. Man, I don't need no goddamn money. Fuck it. Anything you'll do for free, I'll trade this bitch for free and beat you with points. Let's go, man. Let's go. Fuck, we can put $100 on it. We're going to trade for points, man. The end of the week, I got more points. Now, you can't be YOLOing some bullshit that you wouldn't really do. You got to trade the money flow. So that's what we're going to do. Now, what would make the difference? We're all going to see the same breakout. Shit, we dictate it in the Discord, man. I tell them, hey, I'm getting long. I'm in, I'm out. Did I don't think I still have it up, do I? So we do it together, which actually helps you trade better. Let's see. Watch this. You may say, well, I don't day trade. You don't need a day trade. What I'm trying to tell you, got it close all this shit, man. Somebody already posted me. Appreciate you, bro. I forgot to do that. So in here, we try to just trade this. Now you could trade other, oh, look. Bam! What are they telling you? They're telling you this hit. Now, granted, we got one person works a cash register and got the iPad beside her. She and work. It's a 1 minute. You got 1 minute between. You just got to look over. You ain't had to do shit. Look at this. For 30 minutes, all you've done is look at it. You just looked at it. There's nothing to do. Oh, well, we had to ring the register and sell some. And so you got to figure out. Now, it's hard to do that on a phone depending on your platform. I did hear one of my buddies, I think it was Ashen, saying you can't, real traders don't trade that way. I figured it out. I sat around trying on purpose to figure it out. So how can I day trade and be mobile? And I realized that I got to give up a few things. Yeah, I'm not running the latest state of the art 15 fucking monitors with this. I don't need that. I trade one fucking thing, this. So if I'm day trading, I'm just trading this. That's it, man. That's it. I'm not researching stocks. I'm not doing all that. I can wake up at 8:29, roll out of bed, turn this bitch on, and I know exactly what a stage one looks like. Now, I need to be up earlier than that. So here we go. Right? So I got this, and again, I'm doing it just like a daily chart. I'm waiting for the anchor point. Well, where's the anchor point? Right here on tab. So whether I'm trading a buy and hold or whether I'm day trading, to me, it's all the same, man. The only thing about day trading is it's moving faster. Good. I'm fast too. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's get crunk, man. Slam some Red Bulls. I don't know what you do, man. Bump it out. I don't know. I don't know you. Whatever it takes to get you going, man. So look, it's breaking down now, right? Where's price in relation to the 5-day exponential average? Price just broke the 5-day. Now the 10, what's happening here? Uh-oh, it's coming together, man. Look. Now, we've already took money off the table. What's up, Kirby? But look, it turned back up. It already turned back up, man. It already turned back up, man. Look. So if this hits the RSI again, I'm going to downsize. We might bump on this 3, 4, 5 times. Appreciate you. That was just the market giving me a chance to unload this position. I know we're going to go down. Look, earlier we went down. Over here we went down. This is all the same day, man. We might get 8, 9, 10, 12 shots. You know? Now, there's a lot more to this, too, because then there's position sizing, what to do when you're losing. Man, I can go on and on about trading, but I don't like to overload the simpletons. Most of you are simpletons, man. I don't mean that in any disrespect. You just don't know what the fuck you're doing. That's just the truth, okay? That's no insult to you. You just don't know what the fuck you're doing. The reason you don't know what the fuck you're doing is you don't study it. This is all I do, man. Now you tell me, you watch my story. I got people been following me 5, 6 years. I do this every day, every fucking day, all day. And then I go work on real estate all fucking night. And then the next day, day after day for 20 years. And then during that time, I'm listening, I'm reading, right? And it's not work, guys. This is not work. This ain't work. You think this is work? This ain't work. Working on houses is work, man. And I get guys sometimes, they'll be like, man, why don't you hire somebody? Well, goddamn, what am I going to do? Just sit on my ass and drink beer all day? I got to do something, bro. I mean, if I make $700 day trading, and then I do some other shit, now I'm at $1,000, I need to take my butt over and go work on a house, man. Otherwise, I'm going to turn around and give the $1,000 to a painter. I don't want to give it to a painter. Why don't I go paint? I need to work, man. You get what I'm saying? And so, man, it don't take a lot in assets once you get shit rolling. If you gave trade, you got to give this a good year, though. I don't think you have. If you come into day trading or fast trading like that, and you're expecting you're going to start making money, you're being ridiculous. It's going to take you a good year. If you put in a good year of training, 2 years of just training, just shut the fuck up and train. Don't get sidetracked. You don't need to go look at this and look at this. Shut the fuck up and do the money flow, man. Close your fucking eyes and just stare ahead. and just take these trades one after a fucking another, man. And if you put in a year like that, what do you think's going to happen when we unleash you? And in the meantime, you're stacking money, getting your accounts right. Now you know how to swing trade. You understand the buy and hold. You understand financing. Man, you just can't have. You wake up richer. That's it, man. It's just what are you putting your attention on? That's it, man. Where are we at? Don't let me forget I'm day trading. I don't have any help today, which the other day I had help and it didn't do a fucking thing. Trimming. I'm lowering these trims now to 25 shares because I'm down to 350 shares. See, there's another little advanced trick. A lot of you guys come too quick. Now, Pfizer can help you with that, but in